so beautiful. Gavin was gonna jump right there from up there. And then there's my family down there. It's so pretty from up here. It's so sketchy because it's very slippery. And just like, ooh, I almost slipped. And look how sketchy it is. It's so sketchy. Oh my gosh. Like, if you fall down there, you'll die. You fall down there, you die. So, it's also very wet, as you can see. I have to go down this. Okay. I'm going down this thing. Whoop, whoop. Okay, now it's these steps that go down all the way to here, and then you go over there. There's this little hut. Then look at this. It's so cool. It's so cool. Please like and subscribe down in the video. It's so amazing. It's in Thailand at Pai. It's really beautiful. The next place we're gonna be, so it's Gavin's birthday, and so we went to breakfast, and then we went to this waterfall, and then we're going to a hike, and then we're going to dinner, and then dessert. It's really pretty. So please like and subscribe down in the video.